Right, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Car talk. As you can see, I'm going off the back of the paces to the other videos. You've told me whenever I get new stock in, new collections, literally make a video of it. So this is what I'm going to do. As previous said, this is all part of that one collection I'm getting, which is not too far away, which is pretty unbelievable. Part of, say, 1,500 models, a good 1,100 yet to go through. I want to buy it all. I'm not allowed to. It's basically box by box is like what's put out. If you either take it or you don't. So this is the remnants of that box. I've actually sold a few straight away because I've been listing them on eBay last night. So all of these are for sale, but it's not a sales pitch. Let's just enjoy it. We've literally got some of the best Italian stuff here. You know, there's Tekno here, there's British Dinky, French Dinky here. Look at that, wow. But yeah, there's a couple of the back as well. I haven't really got them out, just because we've done those in previous videos. But yeah, let's have a little look. We'll start with the Buick Roadmaster. You know, 1950s Dinky. Lovely model. Slight paint chipping on it. It's got the thing at the crest still there as well, which is pretty lucky. You know, original box. Then we've got a lovely Mercury Bertone Fiat Coupe. Now that is nice. I do like that. You know, even the artwork on the box is spectacular. Got a ex-shop stock quality 320, 60, you know, Mustang 2+2 in the best colour for the Mustang. Just look at that. Where will you find a cleaner one? That's right, you won't. Because that's what we do, bring you the best. Box, crisp as anything. We've got the Lotus Elan. Again, look at that box. Detachable chassis, so you can get that off. I will do a video on that sometime if you want to see it. Let me know. Just look at that, not even a paint chip mark on it. Simply stunning. Sticking with the UK theme then, we've got the Pudgy Woolsley police car. Much nicer in the blue than the black. You know, that just screams Heartbeat sort of vibes to me. That's right, I grew up in the 90s. I can remember watching Heartbeat. That's nice. Condition wise on it. It's mint. Original box as well, always a pleasure to have. Now, we've done the Corvair in the past, we've done the Oldsmobile in the past, and the Buick Riviera in the past. I won't go into too much detail of those. Basically a Volkswagen with that air-cooled engine. I think it was America's most unsafest car. Oldsmobile Tornado, you know, you can get in the gift set or that. Pop-up headlamps, nice. The Buick Riviera with the working Transalite headlamps. Bit hard to try and do it in here at the minute, but you can just see that there. That's nice. We've got some later 60s, early 70s Dinky with a Matra. Again, mint model. I quite like about these as well because the windscreen wiper isn't fixed, so you can actually move it on there. Don't want to play about with that too hard though, just in case you do snap it. We've got a Ferrari 312P. Now this looks like it's had some extra decals added because normally it's just a 24 on it. But it looks nice, to be fair. It makes it stand out from all the others. Why not be different? You know, there's no point being a follower, be a leader. That's what we're going to say. Opel Commodore. Again, very near mint model. Couple of little marks here and there. Most of it is just dust marks, which we'll wipe off. See a bit of a mark there. That'll clean off as well. That is a beauty. I do like that. Lotus Elan. We've done these in the past, but it's out anyway, just for you to have a little look at. Very popular model for selling. Why, as soon as it goes on the store, that's it. You may notice as well, this is that sort of era. And then when they start to come in with them plastic bases and the clear cases, that's why it's got the holes in there, so you could slot them on. Although I'm not even sure if they did the Lotus in that, but maybe that was their plan. Got the French Dinky 404 Peugeot Estate. Now, I think I did one of these in the video the other week, when I showed a loose one, when I showed the seat moving, etc. But just look at the box on this one. I said the artwork is exceptional with it. So I love the little slot there as well, so you can see what colour the model is rather than opening them up. That's a neat little idea. French Dinky again, actually, I was confused myself then. Got the Renault 12. That's nice. And what I like about these is it's got opening doors with it. Try and do it with one-handed. It's got the window on there as well. That's so neat. You know, normally you got the pillars, etc., or no windows at all. But that's a nice feature. This is, you know, the one that comes with like the road sign, etc. The Renault 16 then. Now this is a Spanish one. So very, very similar between them both, the way they are made. Now this is in the very rare purple colour. You don't see these at all. You can get the Atlas ones, but not the original ones. This is an original one. So just look at the interior. It moves the whole interior inside, not even a little bit. The whole thing actually moves. Artwork as well on the box, stunning. That's a rare model. You don't see that. That's worth one investing in. And we got the Gama Ford console. Again, very near mint condition. Lovely detail. Heavy model. Screams 1970s. Got to love that. And what I will do is just skip it over to another Gama. And that's a Ford Taurus Coupe. That's a Jackie Stewart one. Very rare model. I do believe the only one currently on eBay. You just don't see it. That's ex-shop stock quality. Condition wise is wow. That's all I'm going to say. Odd little mark here and there, you know. Met Western Germany. That's smart. Look at the box. See the Jackie Stewart on the side. Amazing. Such a rare item. I wouldn't be too long with some of these guys if you are going for them. The Mercury Ferrari. You know, the Nürburgring edition. Basically like the Le Mans Corgi one. Just without the roof. That's neat. Of course, Mercury has the clip-off rear engine covers. You can actually get to the engine. Nice looking model. As you can see, the undercoat where it's got chips is actually red as well. It's just going off the red version you can get of these, which I do actually have as well. A bath. Just look at the box again. The artwork on these Mercuries. Amazing. Love that. Love that little air vent there. Engine. It just means business. Looks like it's going fast when it's just sat there. Just look at that. That working suspension. Great decals. That's a beauty. The trusty Tekno Denmarks, but this is actually a Tekno box with a Kirk Jag. With the Kirk Denmark. You know, not much between them. Just different contracts. Can't even tell any difference really with the cars. Very, very similar. Spare tyre in the trunk as well. Very heavy model. A nice model. Got a Solido Porsche. The 550 1500 RS. Now, I haven't clipped. This one's actually got the steering wheel inside loose in there. And the figures loose. I haven't clipped them into these spaces yet. That's all. But it is all there. You know, working suspension. Great model. Early Solido box. Nice. The panhard again. Early Solido. Nice. Condition wise as well, that's pretty clean. I do like that. It's not one you see all the time. Bit of play with on it, but as you can tell, you're going to want to play with that. You know, just look how good it pushes. Awesome. I'm going to skip to the back real quick. We've got some whiz wheels, but I'm going to do an episode on whiz wheels soon, so I'm not going to go into them too much. Got the Bertone runabout, very nice, near mint, slight box wear. The Porsche Carerra. Again, a nice model, nice to see it in whiz wheels. You always see it in the just normal hubs, so that's pretty nice. And you've got the other Porsche 917, lovely. Then we've got the Mebetoys. These are nice. Or Mebetoys, whatever you, there's just so many different pronunciations of it. Got a Ford Mark II in there. That is absolutely mint. There's about 35 of Mebetoys I've got to sort through. So I'm going to put some up on the store tonight. That's literally a quick video. I'm not going to drag on about it because I'm getting so much in. I'll be making more for you. So just let me know what you think. If you want to keep seeing these, subscribe if you haven't. You know, mainly my YouTube is for exploring, but we'll mix it up a little bit, show you some good stuff. Take it easy, guys. Happy collecting. And see me at some of the toy fairs up and down the country. I literally go to all the big ones.